Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a rear pinion seal on a Dodge Ram 1500. This guide will walk you through each step, ensuring a successful repair. First, gather all your necessary tools, including a torque wrench, socket set, and a drain pan. You will also need a new pinion seal, a new crush sleeve, and the correct differential fluid. Always remember to prioritize safety by using sturdy jack stands and wearing appropriate protective equipment throughout the process. Now, let's begin the disassembly process. Start by marking the drive shaft and the differential flange with a paint pen or chalk. This ensures correct alignment during reassembly. Next, remove the 4 bolts securing the drive shaft to the differential, then carefully lower the drive shaft and secure it out of the way. Finally, use a specialized pinion seal puller to carefully extract the old, worn-out seal from its housing in the differential. Be gentle to avoid damaging the differential housing. With the old seal removed, it is time to install the new one. First, meticulously clean the sealing surface on the differential housing to ensure a perfect, leak-free fit for the new seal. Next, carefully tap the new pinion seal into its bore using a seal driver or a large socket, ensuring it seats evenly. Then, install a brand new crush sleeve and tighten the pinion nut to the manufacturer's specified torque, which is typically several hundred foot-pounds, to achieve the correct preload. For the final steps, reattach the drive shaft, carefully aligning the marks you made earlier to maintain balance. Secure the 4 drive shaft bolts and torque them to specification, usually around 85 foot-pounds. Next, refill the differential with the correct type and amount of gear oil, typically about 2 1/2 quarts, until it reaches the fill plug opening. Finally, check for any leaks around the new seal and perform a cautious test drive to ensure everything is functioning correctly and quietly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.